Good morning children. In the last class we are discussing about the lesson number 13, our body, a wonderful machine. Now about the main functions of the human body and the main organs responsible for these functions. Okay, now we are respirations and blood circulation. These are we are discussing about in the last class. Okay, shall we start now? Next, continue the class. Okay. Children, what can you this picture? Can you see here? What is the name of this instrument used by the doctors? So now the heartbeat. What is the name of this instrument, children? It is called as stethoscope. When do we go to the doctors or hospital? Each and every doctors having this stethoscope. You know, children? This instrument in this picture used by doctor. Okay. Here one activities for children, for yourself. Here one activities for yourself to how to ready the stethoscope. What are the use the materials to ready the stethoscope. Okay. So let us see here. Take 3 plastic tube. Take 3 plastic tube. And a T-shaped tube and a funnel, a thin rubber or plastic sheet and some rubber bands. Some rubber bands, and to join them as shown in the picture. These are the instruments to join there, as well as join these instruments to ready the stethoscope. Your stethoscope is ready here. For example, see here. Okay. Keep the funnel of the stethoscope on the chest of your friend. Keep the 2 tubes into your ears and count the heartbeat. Okay, children. And children, you know how many times does a heartbeat in a minute? Okay. Our heart beats about 70 times per minute and 1 lakh times per day. Okay, children, do you understand? For proper blood circulation in your body, eat vegetables and fruits regularly. Okay, and we have to do exercise daily. Okay, children. Children, next digestion. We eat food regularly. Without food, we cannot live. But food which eat, where does it go? And what happens to the food that you eat? So, children, observe the picture. The food you eat move from organ to organ from the mouth. Look at the picture and write the names of those organs. Children, see in this picture, first one, mouth, throat, food pipe, stomach, small intestine and large intestine and anus. Okay, so here write one by one the name of these parts: mouth, throat, food pipe, stomach, small intestine and large intestines and anus. Okay. Children, have some given the questions. So have you write the names of the organs? You know what are the names of the organs? Already you know that. So now write the parts of our mouth. What are the parts of our mouth? So commonly teeth, tongue, lips. Okay. And next one, another one question. Which part of the mouth is helpful for chewing food items? Which part, children? Teeth. You know? Teeth. Next. What is the functions of the tongue? What is the functions of the tongue? What is the work of the tongue? Mixing and chewing the food. Okay, children. Teeth in the mouth chew the food item into the small partition. Okay. How to digestion of food our body? So let's see. Okay, children. So the chewed food reached the stomach through the food pipe. Here, see here the picture of the food pipe. Okay, food in the stomach gets digested to the some extent. It remains here for about 3 to 4 hours. Okay, so next one, then this food reaches the small intestine and get digested further. The digested food reaches blood through small intestine and reaches all parts of the body. So here the undigested food reaches the large intestine and move out of the body through the anus in the form of feces. Okay, so the process of which the food get digested and reach the blood is called as digestion. I am telling you children what is the meaning of the digestion. Once again, the process by which the food gets digested and reaches the blood is called as digestion. Okay children, do you understand now? Now these children, good habits for you. First one, wash your hands before and after taking food. You have already learned about this sentence. You have already known about this habit. Okay, eat fibrous food such as beans, radish, etc. These also you know learn about in the vegetable and fruits. In this lesson we are discussing about the which one the food healthy food and which one healthy vegetables. These are known the names of the food. Okay, so another one instructions for you: eat the fresh and healthy food and clean your mouth, teeth and tongue after eating food. And next, chew the food slowly and properly, and it is better to eat once in 4 hours. Okay children, write the functions of the organs given in the picture in the space provided. Children, see here, what is the first picture? See in this picture, teeth. You know children, teeth. What is the teeth do? Teeth help us in chewing the food. You will write here. So given the places. Okay children. Next, another one. What is this picture? What is the name of this picture? The food pipe. The food pipe. The chewed food will pass to the stomach throwing food pipe. Okay. It is the name of the food pipe. Okay children. Next, stomach. It is a picture of stomach, digest the food. And next, small intestine. Small intestine observe the digested food and should to the parts of the body. So once again children, small intestine observe the digested food and send to the parts of the body. Okay. Next, large intestine. Large intestines do the work. Undigested food will remains in the large intestine. Okay. You should also write here. Okay children. Children, concentrate here. Waste is produced due to the household activities. We throw out this waste every day. In the same way, so many materials which are not required for the body are produced in our body due to the biological process like the digestion, etc. These are waste. If these waste remains in the body, they may cause some diseases. You know that the body removes these waste through skin and lungs. These are excretory organs. Okay children, do you understand the meaning of the digestion? Okay. And children, I hope all of you follow these instructions. Okay. Next, we are going to another organ in our body. Okay. The body removes the waste through urine. Let us learn about the excretory organs which help this process. See children, here one of the picture of the, what is this? Kidney. It is the picture of kidney. Observe the kidney picture and write its parts. You have to write the parts of the kidney. So write the first one. What children? Write the parts of the kidney. Kidney, urinary canal, urinary bladder and urethra. These are the parts of the kidney. A pair of kidney is situated on either side of the backbone, and the blood get filtered here. Impurities present in the blood are separated here. This waste reaches the urinary bladder through urinary canal. Waste reaches the urinary bladder through the urinary canal. Then it passes out of the body through urethra in the form of urine. This is the process of, this is the work of kidney. It is the function of kidney. It is called as the function of kidney. Okay children. And some below give the answer the following questions. Children, here see the one by one asking the question. You will write here the answers. So given the page below. Okay. So first one answer question. Which organ is responsible for the removal of carbon dioxide from the body? Which organs, children? From the lungs, it is go to the lungs. It removes out carbon dioxide. Okay children. Next another one. Which organs removes impurities from the body in the form of sweat? Skills. And another one. Which organ removes impurities from the body in the form of liquid? Kidney. Children, you know some of the instructions for yourself. Please follow these children. Passes urine regularly. And next, take bath every day and wear clean clothes. And next, wash your face, hands and legs after. It helps to remove the waste which are collected through sweat. Okay, this cleans the skin and opens the sweat pores. Okay children, so drink the 2 liters of the clean water every day. It helps us to remove the wastage from the body through the sweat and urine. Okay children, you have learned about the body is like a wonderful machine that performs the respiration, blood circulation, digestion and excretions. Okay children. And another children, practice to eat and excrete regularly, and play games, do exercise and walk daily, and eat healthy food. Do not overeat fried food items and sweet items. Okay, so take bath daily and keep your body clean. Wear washed the clothes daily. Okay children. And next children, another one information for you. So remember these points. Okay children, so there are 206 bones and more than 600 joints in our body. How many bones are in our body children? 206 bones and more than 600 joints in our body. And even if your height is the 3 feet, your digestive organs will be 20 feet long. They are in the form of the colloid tubes. Okay children. And another one, already I am saying you, our heart beats about 70 times per minute and 1 lakh times per day. So using the instruments of stethoscope, you know children. And 3 liters of the air is filled in the lungs, and human body contains about the 5.5 liters of the blood, and the blood will be produced again after donating the blood. It will need 4 to 5 weeks. Okay children, I hope all of you understand the lesson. Our body a wonderful machine. These are the you know the functions of the organs of our body. So you know already all the functions of which organs will help us to our body and what are the functions they have. Do you understand, no children? Once again you read the lesson and understand. Okay children, thank you.